Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AlsoAsked to generate content ideas from SERP snippets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AlsoAsked website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the search bar. Enter a broad keyword related to your content niche. Click on the search icon to generate results. Wait a moment as AlsoAsked analyzes the data. Review the suggestions displayed in the format of questions. These questions are derived from SERP snippets, providing relevant content ideas. Identify key themes or topics that resonate with your target audience. Note down any specific questions that stand out. To refine your ideas, click on the relevant questions. This action will expand related questions and subtopics. Explore the connections and context surrounding the main query. Use this information to identify gaps in existing content. Take snapshots of the generated questions or export them if needed. Plan your content strategy around the insights gathered. Consider optimizing your content based on the identified keywords. Utilize these ideas to enhance your existing content or create new articles. Return to the dashboard for further searches as necessary. Keep experimenting with different keywords to discover more insights. Implement your findings consistently to improve your content approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.